In this video, we'll talk about how to grade using an assignment with a rubric inside of AsULearn. So to start with, I'm logged in as a student. I've got a rubric attached to this assignment. I'm going to go in, and this is what the student would see. They have the Add Submission button, so either they're putting text in or uploading an assignment. And here's the criteria for the rubric. So in this particular case, this is the criterion and the levels that they can be graded on. So they can see this information ahead of time. That's always a good option. I'm in this course now as an instructor. I'm going to go into that same assignment, and I'm going to go to either view all submissions, or I can go straight to grade. So if I had submissions here, these would be all the submissions. I'm going to grade the student, and this comes up by default where the paper would appear here if they had uploaded, and my rubric is over here on the side. The three little boxes at the bottom right corner changes my grading view, so I can collapse the preview panel and just have the rubric, or this middle one lets me have the preview, or the right hand one closes the rubric piece. So I tend to grade in this one. So I've read the paper, I'm going through making comments. So here's my criteria, and so all I do is go through and pick the levels that I want. So I'm going to pick a 5 here, a 10 on this one, and a 10 on this one. And notice the point values here add up to 35, but this assignment is worth 100 points, so it will scale the 25 points that I've given up to match that 100% of that grade. I can also add comments, so I can comment on each criteria. So what they did with the introduction to topic, I can give them comments there. I can also give them generalized feedback for the assignment, and I can upload a file. So if I wanted to make notations on like a Word document or PDF, I can upload their copy of it back with my comments. So I'm going to hit Save Changes, and now if I scroll down, here is the grade. It took that 35 points and scaled it up to 71.43 based on the assignment having 100 points value to it. So that is grading with a rubric.